Okay, together I have my two pieces that I cut out, and what you want to do is make sure you have the brightest side or the right side of the fabric facing in. So with these are batik, so it actually goes, the material or the dye goes all the way through. So on batik you can use either side, but there usually is one side that's brighter than the other. And you want to pin it, but not too close to the edges to allow room to sew. Usually 4 pins is plenty. And then you can start, actually I'm going to start right here, kind of about 2/3 of the way through one side of it. And when we're done sewing along the edges, we want to make sure that we allow room to flip the material, because we're going to kind of do it like a pillowcase. And I usually just pivot right at the corners, and that way you don't have to worry about it getting a weird end on it. And follow it right to the edge. And then I'm going to stop about a good 1.5 to 2 inches from the other where I started sewing, and you always want to back stitch at the beginning and the front, and so that's what you'll have when you're done.